Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a cabin air filter. First, gather your new cabin air filter and any small tools you might need, like a screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked and completely turned off before you begin. The cabin air filter is typically located behind the glove box, so we'll start by preparing to access that area. This simple maintenance task can greatly improve your car's air quality. Now, let's get to the filter. Begin by emptying everything out of your glove box. This prevents items from spilling when you lower it. Next, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action releases the small plastic stops that hold it in place. Once released, the glove box will swing down, revealing the rectangular housing that contains your cabin air filter. With the housing exposed, you'll see a cover held by two small clips. Unclip these, and the cover will come right off. Now, carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Notice how dirty it probably is. Before inserting the new filter, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. Make sure this arrow points in the correct direction, usually downwards, as indicated by your vehicle's manual. After the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover, ensuring both clips snap securely. Then, gently push the glove box back up until it clicks into its closed position. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. Remember to check your owner's manual for recommended replacement intervals, typically every 15,000 to 25,000 miles. For other great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.